Hello dear students, hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss computer topic keyboard special keys. Keyboard is also a part of computer which is used for typing. It is an input device which is the important part of a computer. It has many buttons which are called keys. These keys are pressed to type words or numbers into the computer. These keys are also used to give instructions to the computer. Small buttons on the keyboard are called keys. These are used for type words, numbers. Next we will read different type of keys and their use. First is alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys marked with A to Z. These keys help to type words and sentences. With the help of alphabet keys, you can type your name, essay, letter, etc. Number keys. The keys marked with the digits 1, 2 and 9 and 0 are the number keys. They are 10 in number. They are used to type numbers and digits. With the help of number keys, you can type counting, tables, your roll number, your phone number, etc. There are two number keys are present on the keyboard. One is on the upper row of the keyboard and the second is on the right of the keyboard. This is also called the numeric keypad. Next, we will see some special keys on the keyboard. These perform particular functions. First is enter key. It is used to move the cursor to the next line. It is also known as return key. There are two enter keys on the keyboard. If you want to type text on the next line, then it will be used. Backspace key. Backspace key is the key marked with a back arrow. It is used to erase the letter to the left of the cursor. For example, if you erase the letter from the left side of the cursor, then use backspace key. Delete key. This key is also used to erase the character but to the right side of the cursor. If you erase the letter from the right side of the cursor, then you can use delete key. Shift key. There are two shift keys which are used in combination with other keys. Shift keys are used for use the special symbols, and also with the help of shift key we can write in capital letter. Caps lock keys are used for write capital and small letters. Symbols. Symbols are present on the number keys. These keys are marked with digits as well as symbols. On the number keys, we can see some symbols on it. These symbols are used with the help of shift key. For example, if you type alpha symbol, then press shift plus 2, and if you type and symbol, then press shift plus 7. Punctuation keys. These keys are used to put punctuation such as comma, full stop, colon, question mark and hyphen. You can see two signs on the keys. For example, if you use slash sign, simply press the key. But if you use upper sign like question mark, then it will be print with the help of shift key. Next, alt and control keys. These keys are mainly used in combination with other keys to perform many useful functions. For example, alt plus F4 keys are used to close the current software window, and control plus alt plus delete keys are used for restarts the computer. Next, we will read Notepad program, which is used for typing. It is also known as text editor. Notepad is a quick and easy software used for typing in computer. You can type letters, words, sentences and numbers in Notepad. There are some steps to start the Notepad window. First is click on Start button. Second, click on All Programs. On the left corner on the desktop screen, you can see the Start button. Click on it. When you click on the Start button, program list will be opened. Then you click on the All Program. After click on the All Program, new list will be opened. Then click on Accessories. And after that click on Notepad. When you see the Notepad window, it will be show some components. These are, first is title bar, the topmost bar that display the title of the program. Second is menu bar. It displays different menus of Notepad like file, edit, format, view, help. Next is cursor. Cursor is a vertical blinking line on the screen. The area where you type the text is called text area. Typing text using keyboard. If you want to type on the screen, you can write only from the cursor location. Okay, dear students, thank you and have a nice day.